So next one, listen 10th question number 10. So the three vertices are given, and so if you read the question, if you take out the textbook, question number 10, a triangular shaped glass with vertices at A, B, C is given as what? Has to be painted. Okay, a triangle shaped glass. A triangle shaped glass has to be painted. And the area you have to find out. If one bucket of paint covers 6 square feet, ஒரு பக்கெட்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெயிண்ட் வந்து இந்த பெரிய கிளாஸ், இந்த பெரிய பெரிய ஹவுஸ்லாம் கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் பண்ணுறாங்க, அந்த ஃப்ரண்ட் வியூவில் இந்த மாதிரி போர்டு மாதிரி என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, கிளாஸஸ்லாம் போட்டிருப்பாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ தட் என்டையர் கிளாஸ் ஷுட் பி பெயிண்டட் வித் சம் கலர்ஸ். So for 1 square feet, see what it is, 1 bucket of paint is needed for 6 square feet. How many buckets of paint will require to paint the entire glass? Okay, so only one time, that is one coat should be painted. So first you have to find out that area of a triangular glass. Area of a triangular glass as usual half into, so what is the formula for that as usual, x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 again x1 y1. So if it is practice means no need to write this again. Okay, so directly we can write the answer. Okay, so x1 y1, what is x1 y1? Minus 5 minus 4. What is second one? 6. 7 comma minus 4, again minus 4, minus 5 and minus 4. So area of triangle glass. Okay, so one big glass is there like this as a triangle shape. You want to paint for that. So 1 bucket paint is required to paint 6 square feet. 6 சதுர அடிக்கு அடிக்கிறதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, ஒரு பக்கெட் பெயிண்ட் தேவைப்படுது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. அப்போ மொத்த கிளாஸ் அடிக்க எத்தனை பக்கெட்ஸ் வந்து தேவைப்படுது, நம்பர் ஆஃப் பக்கெட்ஸ் நீடட் டு பெயிண்ட் என்டையர் கிளாஸ். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூ ஹேவ் டு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் ஏரியா, ஹவு மச் ஏரியா வில் பி த கிளாஸ், மொத்த கிளாஸோட ஏரியா எவ்வளோ. So half 5 6 are 30, since it is minus 30. 1 4s are 4 minus 4. 7 4s are 28, since it is minus 28. It's clear? Minus, then 4 1s are 4 minus 4. 6 7s are 42 plus 42, since both are plus. 4 5s are 20, minus into minus plus 20. We can cover like this. Afterwards half into, so minus 30 minus 4 minus 78. When you add it, what will we get? Minus 30 plus minus 20 minus 58, 62, minus 62. It's clear? Minus 62. Then here minus, so what will we get here? 42 plus 20, 62. 62 minus 4, 58. What is that? 58. What 58? 42 plus 20, 62. 62 ல minus 4 போச்சுனா plus தான் ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கு. So 58. Afterwards equal to 1 by 2 minus 62 minus into this minus 58, because minus into plus minus. So when you get that, what will be here? ரெண்டுமே மைனஸ், அப்போ மைனஸ் 8 இங்கே சேரு 70, இல்லை 2 இங்கே சேரு 60 ஆகிடும் 120. 120. So after that equal to 1 by 2, that will be cancelled, 120 will be cancelled. We can take this again. So into 120, into 120, because I told that minus will be cancelled in area. So 2 will be taken as what? 60. Taken as 60. So 60 square units. Okay, the area of the glass, triangle glass, is 60 units. But that is not answer. The question is asked how much bucket, how many number of buckets of paint required to fulfill the glass. One coated now சில வீட்டுங்கள்லாம் சுண்ணாம்பு அடிப்பாங்க, நீங்கள் பார்த்துருக்கீங்க இல்லையா? 2 கோட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. 2 கோட்னா அடித்ததுலேயே இன்னொரு அடித்தா இன்னும் டார்க்காக இருக்கும்னு சொல்லிட்டு 2 கோட் அடிப்பாங்க. ஸோ மேக்ஸிமம் லைக்வைஸ் ஹியர், பட் we need only 1 coat that given in the question. Now number of buckets need to paint equal to area by 6, because 1 bucket consists 6 square feet. Okay, so now it will get as 10 buckets needed. 10 பக்கெட் பெயிண்ட் வாங்கினாதான் இந்த என்டையர் கிளாஸுக்கு ஃபுல்லாக ஒரு தடவை, அதாவது ஒரு கோட் பெயிண்ட்டு அடிக்க முடியும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஏன்னா 60 ஸ்கொயர் ஃபீட் இருக்குது, புரியுதா? 6 ஸ்கொயர் ஃபீட்டுக்கு ஒரு பக்கெட்டு. அப்போ 60 ஸ்கொயர் ஃபீட்டுக்கு எத்தனை பக்கெட்னா 10 பக்கெட். 10 பக்கெட் பெயிண்ட் வாங்கி கொடுக்கணும் அந்த கிளாஸ், என்டையர் கிளாஸுக்கு பெயிண்ட் அடிக்க. கிளியர்? So that's the question asked to find out. So as usual, area of a triangle glass half equal to as usual formula, substitute the value and make the answer. This and all already we done so many sums. Only the difference is number of buckets need to paint. You have to find out what the answer you are getting there. Take it out. 60 by 6 equal to 10. We will get negative value. Even I already told, since it is put as mod, the negative value will make a square units, it will become as a positive. It will become as a positive. That's why I written here 120, it will be 60. Okay, so next 11th question is a homework in that exercise. 11th question is a homework in exercise 5.1 11th question, 11th sum. So homework. Okay, so noted that exercise 5.1 11th sum will be a homework. In previous classes I gave some of the homework in the same exercise. I think 3 sums I gave in this exercise. This is the 4th one in this exercise. Okay, so note the homework and try it by yourself. This one is also easy, 11th one is also easy, but you have to find out 3 concept of areas: 2 triangle, 1 quadrilateral. If you see the textbook, the picture is given, that is the diagram is given. Based on diagram you have to find out 2 triangle, 1 quadrilateral. 2 triangle ஓட ஏரியாவையும் ஒரு quadrilateral ஓட ஏரியாவையும் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். எல்லா சமமும் வந்து அதே மாதிரி தான். ஓகே, now next we move on to another subdivision in the same thing. Okay, inclination of a line. Inclination of a line. What is the meaning of inclination? What is the meaning of inclination? So inclination means slanting line, or we can call it as a slope. We can call it as a slope. Slope na சாய்வு, ஏணி. ஏணியை வந்து மேக்ஸிமம் என்ன பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க, சாட்சி தான் நிற்க வச்சுருப்பாங்க, பார்த்துருப்பீங்க நீங்கள். Slope of the ladder. You have seen that. Slope of the mountain. Okay, So slope means slanting, that is called as the inclination. Suppose one of the line is there, I am putting another line here. So this is called as inclination. சாய்வு, slope. How much slope this? 30 degree, 45 degree. Suppose this is 45 degree. The angle of slope is 45 degree. Okay. Here have certain condition. Okay, one of the line is there. What is the slope of the parallel line? Zero. There is no slope. Okay, parallel line la slope கிடையாது. ஏனா ரெண்டுமே ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும். Slanting கிடையாது. Both lines are slope will be what? Same. Okay, ரெண்டு line parallel lines means this is parallel line. Take it as M1, take it as M2. There is no slope because both line are same. Therefore M1 equal to M2 in the condition of parallel. When the condition is parallel, what is the slope? M1 equal to M2. Actually slope means we can represent a letter called as M. Okay, when the line is perpendicular, so at that situation we have to, this is called as perpendicular line. இல்லையா, அந்த T மாதிரி இருக்கிறது perpendicular line. One of the line is like this. So if I am putting the line 90 degree, what is that? 90 degree. The slope is 90 degree when the slope line is perpendicular. For that condition is M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. So this is the situations we have to recall in that. When the line is parallel, both are equal, slope are equal. M1 is equal to M2, both values should be same. Next, perpendicular means the condition is given as M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. This is the conditions for perpendicular. Then when angle is given theta, okay, so you have to find out theta equal to 45 degree. The question asks to find out that slope. What is the slope when angle is equal to 45 degree? 1. Answer will be simply 1. Why? Because tan theta equal to tan 45 equal to 1. Last year you studied the table. Trigonometry la table la படிச்சிருக்கும். Tan 30 1 by root 3, tan 60 root 3, tan 45 1. It's clear? Tan 0 0, tan 90 infinity. So this condition only for tan you have to recall, not other sin, cos and all. Okay, tan theta ku badala 45 equal to 1. M equal to 1 now. When the sum is given like this, find the slope when theta equal to 45 degree. The answer is 1. When the condition is parallel, you have to follow. When the condition is perpendicular, you have to follow. It's clear? When 2 points are given, how we have to calculate the slope? In the question itself, when 2 points are given, how we have to calculate the slope? M equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus. When you have to use that? When 2 points are given. Question la 2 points கொடுக்கும்போது நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், ஃபார்முலாக இந்த மாதிரி பயன்படுத்தினா தான் ஸ்லோப் கிடைக்கும். ஆங்கிள் கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா tan use பண்ணனும் to find out the slope. It's clear? So any doubt? Based on this, we will proceed certain examples and exercise sums. So once again I give the introduction. See that angle of inclination. Inclination na சாய்வு. Slope. How much inclined? So according to this diagram, 45 degree of angle is inclined. Okay, according to this angle of inclination is 90 degree. Okay, so if you put 90 degree, okay, இந்த இடத்துல கோடு போட்டா இது 45 degree. So depending upon the value what will be made. And the slope எப்படி லெட்டர்ல கூடும்னா m சாய்வு. Okay, இந்த parallel லைன்ல சாஞ்சி கிடையாது, ரெண்டுமே ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கு. அதனால m1 is equal to m2. Okay, so say slope. So slope of this things அப்படினு கேக்குறாங்க. இப்போ இது ஒரு லைன் நம்பர் 1, இது லைன் நம்பர் 2. line number 1 and 2, there is no interaction, parallel lines. What is that? Parallel lines. So what is this? And same, இது எவ்வளவோ அதே மாதிரி தான். Suppose I am turning this side, this both are parallel. This one and this one will be same. Take this as m1 and m2. Or if you take like this, m1 equal to m2. These both are same. These both are same. Why? Because it is inclined what? In the same railway track. 11. These are all examples of what? Parallel lines. At that situation, m1 equal to m2. Next, when the lines are perpendicular. பர்பெண்டிகுலர்னா ஒரு லைன் இருக்கும்போது அதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டா இருக்கும், just like T. Okay, T is one of the perpendicular line. இது AB, இது CD. Okay, AB is perpendicular to CD or CD is perpendicular to AB. At that situation, angle will be 90 degree. So if you want to use the condition m1 into m2 equal to -1 when the slope are perpendicular, then when 2 points are given, how we have to find the slope? This formula you have to use: y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. When angle is given, either 60 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, you have to substitute and find tan theta equal to, in place of theta 45, you have to substitute tan 45. When you go to the trigonometric table previous year, we can know that tan 45 equal to 1. Only tan you have to remember. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3. Tan 60 verum root 3. Tan 90 infinity or undefined. Tan 0 0. So these are all things you have to recall from the previous section. So based on, we can do certain sums. See, so example 5.8. Example 5.8. So page number 217. Page 217. What is the slope of a line whose inclination is 30 degree? 30 degree. They are given first question. Theta வந்து 30 degree அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்? சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணணும். M equal to tan theta equal to tan 30. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. That's all. Okay. Next, in the same question, they asked, what is the inclination of a line whose slope is root 3? அவங்க கொடுத்துட்டாங்க m ஓட வேல்யூ root 3. m ஓட வேல்யூ root 3. They are asking to find what is the inclination? அதாவது m equal to root 3. Tan theta equal to root 3. theta என்னவா இருந்தா root 3 வரும்னா theta equal to 60 degree. Theta equal to 60 degree. So this is the way you have to answer example 5.8, page number 217. Now exercise. Same way I will do the exercise sums. You note it. Exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2. Okay, the question number 1. Question number 1. Exercise 5.2 la first இத வெச்சு ரெண்டு சம், இத வெச்சு ரெண்டு சம் பார். What is the slope of a line whose inclination with positive direction of x axis is 90 degree and 0 degree? Okay, what is the slope? What is the slope means m you have to find out. Theta is given. Theta equal to 90 degree. First one they given. First one theta equal to 90 degree. You have to find out what slope, like this. M equal to tan theta equal to tan 90 equal to infinity or undefined. Infinity symbol or undefined. So in that same second question is given. What is the second question? 0 degree. 0 degree. So 0 degree means same. Okay, theta is given as 0. Okay, theta is given as 0 degree. M equal to tan theta equal to tan 0. Tan 0 equal to 0. Tan 0 degree equal to 0. So in this model we done exercise first Roman letter 1, Roman letter 2. Now in this model we can do that second question. What is the inclination of a line 0 and 1? 0 second first one. Second first one. What is the term is given? 0. First question is given as 0. In this same model you have to proceed. Okay, slope is given. அவங்க வந்து m ஓட வேல்யூ கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. m equal to 0 like this. Okay, m equal to root 3 கொடுத்த மாதிரி m equal to 0. அப்புறம் tan theta equal to 0 எதுக்கு? Okay, tan theta ல 0 எதுக்கு வரும் அப்படின்னு கேக்குறாங்க. theta equal to 0. Theta equal to 0. theta 0 அதாவது tan theta 0 இருந்தால் தான் 0 degree. Now second question 1 is given, that is m equal to 1. m equal to 1. tan theta equal to அவங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்க 1. இதுக்கு tan theta equal to 1 னா ஏற்கனவே ஒரு இடத்துல நான் கிளாஸ் சொன்னேன் 1 எதுக்குன்னா 45. ஓகே, தீட்டாவோட வேல்யூ 45 டிகிரி இருந்தால் தான் 1. tan 45 தான் இது 1. therefore theta equal to 45 degree. It's clear? First two sums will be based on this. So this is an example sum which is present on page 217. You have to recall what I told, that 5 values 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Okay, tan 0, 0, tan 30, 1 by root 3, tan 60, root 3, tan 45, 1, tan 90, undefined or infinity, tan 90. Then this both sum will be easy if you thorough in that 4 values. Okay, 0, 45, 30, then 60, then 90. So if you thorough in that, you will be get this first two sum. This will mostly come in 1 mark or 2 mark. So we can easily answer the certain question. Three minutes more. So whatever the sums we are doing there, just go through after getting the textbook certain points that I explained earlier. Introduction, madala koduthala introduction, slope, how we are getting slope, when theta is given, when 2 point is given, that are all you have to read and practice. And still more all the example sums maximum I will not do. 90% the exercise sums only I will be proceed, because that is not present in the textbook. Only questions will be present. For example sums, only few things I will be taught. Okay, which is resemblance and which is different, not possible to acquire you. உங்களால் வந்து அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ண முடியாமல் வித்தியாசமாக என்ன சம்ஸ் இருக்கோ அது மட்டும்தான் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சம்ஸில் வந்து நான் டீச் பண்ணுவேன். சரி, எல்லா எக்ஸாம்பிள் சம்மும் கிடையாது. ஃபியூ எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ். வை? பிகாஸ் இன் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் they will ask exam sums also. இப்படி சொல்லி தான் போன வருஷம் என்ன பண்ணோம், பாடம் எடுத்தோம், ஒரு இதுவும் கிடையாது. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி ஆயிடுச்சு. அதனால் நம்ம வந்து we cannot expect how the exam is going on. Okay, what the way the question will be asked. Okay, they will give only clues, that's all. But you have to be thorough, whatever is there. In the beginning itself we have to cover either a midterm test or quarterly or half yearly. So this time that will be happen for all the students, you know. Okay, the same thing we can see at annual examination. Means it is not possible. Even this year all students are passed, they will not possible to get good marks, because quarterly, half yearly, they are not think like that this will be happen for public exam. So beginning itself you have lot of time, so go through that. Even it is easy, practice number of times.